Come test drive 2006 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.